Greeting Dustmeisters from the Green Mountain state of Vermont. My name is Stephen Lee. I am with Ecowood Floors Inc. in Burlington, Vermont, USA. Today on my sand documentary features, I'm going to show you guys up for sale is the FG Floortec brushing machine. Okay, setup, the entire setup. We have the FG Floortec. It's a 220, 230 electrical brushing machine. It's called the Blitz. We also call it the money printer. Okay, it uses a proprietary technology brushing machine, so you don't need actually abrasive to sand decks. You don't need to set nails. All you do is just turn it on and run it like a champ. Okay, so the big machine, it's called the FG Floortec Blitz, like the ballroom Blitz. Okay, and we also have the other machine, the smaller one. It's called the Randy. The Randy, which gonna do all the edges like an etcher. Okay. And that's also coming in 230 volt machine. Okay, and also we have the FG Floortec. It's called the Mini. Okay, Terassen-Mini. It has a little brushing machine. Looks like a toothbrush. Okay, it's gonna do all the little corners and everything else. Okay, and I will show you the difference between those machines now. Okay. Hello, Dustmeisters. Welcome to my deck, okay, my channel, okay. So this machine, it's called the FG Floortec Blitz, okay. It comes, the entire setup, right now, I think it's retail for $79.99, okay. So, yeah, and this will come, the entire kit will come with the transport wheels here. It's all-terrain wheels, all stairs. You can climb a stair with it. This thing, big machine. Also come with this pad, okay, for your parking. It also come with the vacuum cleaning kit, by the way, okay. And excuse my pants, I'm poor, okay, so I need to sell the machine and buy new pants, okay. So bear with me. So this one, it's in this entire setup. This is called the Randy. Okay, the Randy would do all the etching for you. Okay, and see, look at our proprietary technology brushing machine. Okay, it comes in different grids. I believe it's 36, 60, and 80. I have everything for you, all the grids. And this is the Mini. Okay, the Mini, it's the same thing, and it will use this kind of brushing. Okay, and what else? It comes with the our beautiful red cord, European red cord. This can be switched out into a NEMA L6, just like that. Okay, 5 seconds, and yeah, and it will come with its own vacuum. Okay, you can send your deck, outside, ductless system. Okay, and then this will come like this, and you can transport it easy, right? And then with this setup, okay, I'm going to give you guys an extra brushing, okay, setup. This is 46 and 80. It's the machine comes with a 60, okay. So I'm going to give you a little extra here if you get the entire setup from me. This is a demo machine, by the way. It never seen a single decking job, okay. It's always on the it went to the National Wood Flooring Association Expo, okay, this year, okay. So everything brand new equipments, everything's set up ready for you to do your contracting decking business, make a lot of money, okay. And also this is come with the dust vacuum kit too, okay. Vacuum, you can vacuum everything. And I believe I think you guys seen this before, yeah. I will show you. This one is the newest etcher. It's a 120 volt. It's called the puck. Okay, the puck etcher. It's 120 volt. Very feisty little creature. The only thing I don't like about this one is it comes with the, look at this, flimsy, 110, plug-in. But I'm gonna switch it out for you, okay? Into the twist lock one, and yeah, I'm gonna give you a nice cord if you get this one from me. This one's retail for right now. It's $199.99, below $2,000. So it's very feisty little, etcher for you, okay? And yeah, and that's about it. And you get the entire setup here. Retails for $79.99. Do message me privately regarding your contractor discount. Okay. Again, my name is Stephen Lee. I'm with the Ecowood Floors Incorporation in Burlington, Vermont, USA. Thank you.